What? Oh my gosh. Yo, this is fast. And this is straight. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Amber, and in this video I am going to review, do my first impressions, trying out for the first time this blow dry attachment for the Dyson supersonic hair dryer. I don't think it's really that new, but it's the first time that I saw this. I was like, what? Wait a minute, why don't I know about this stuff? Because this is important. We all know how good the results of the blow dry session turn out if we use this attachment, right? We all know, okay? So here's a close-up on how the attachment looks. Very interesting teeth. This is flexible, but still very sturdy. All the air flows through this little hole right here, which is very interesting. So I definitely have a feeling that this is a very concentrated airflow and the results will be amazing. I hope so, okay? Yeah, I've had this hair dryer for about a year now. I received this one in a PR package from Dyson like a long time ago. So if you purchase this one, you also get a diffuser attachment and a concentrated nozzle attachment. It's all magnetic. I want to show you, but it's like far away and I'm so lazy. So I'm sorry, sis. I gotta do what I gotta do. And now they have this new attachment that you just can click on your Dyson hair dryer and it turns around like this. You can blow dry your hair in every direction. I normally always blow dry my hair with the Dyson Airwrap. I received the Dyson Airwrap in a PR package as well. And I don't know if I should do an updated review on this one or whatever. I don't know if you guys want to see what I really think about this stuff after 1 year of using this. Let me know down below in the comment section. Do you want to know the real tea? Like the real tea on this thing? Let me know down below and I'll make a video about it. But yeah, I normally always blow dry my hair with this one, but this is way too expensive, girl. And when companies trying to say oh, this is for all hair types, it works on every hair type, no matter how curly or straight your hair is, blah, blah, blah. I'm always very skeptical, and I'm always looking yeah. Because I don't know. I don't believe stuff. I don't believe stuff that easily. I want to see for myself. You know what I'm saying? So when I went to the website and saw this on their shop, I wanted to see the marketing around this product. And what I saw, that was really interesting is that they had this little clip on how to use this product, how to use this attachment. And there were only black girls in that video with very thick, type 4 hair using this thing. So I was like, yes, this is definitely something that I'm willing to try out now. They are definitely promoting this specifically for men and women with type 4 kinky natural hair. So I'm definitely down to try this out right now, okay? Okay, so enough rambling. While I was talking, my hair just dried up. I literally just hopped out of the shower, towel dried my hair. My hair was soaking wet. I was talking, blah, 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 and my hair is already getting dry. Wow, my life. See my life. Okay, so I'm going to kind of re-wet every section a little bit. So I'm just going to spray some water, a little bit on each section. Oh, before I start, I'm definitely going to time everything because I want to know how long it takes me. Okay, and start. And I don't like to apply too many products when I'm blow drying my hair because it definitely weighs my hair down when I use a leave-in conditioner and a cream and whatever. So I don't do that, okay? My hair's always sticky when I'm done blow drying, so no. I always use this product. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strengthen and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. This definitely helps for extra shine. It smells great, leaves my hair kind of soft or whatever, and yeah. So that's what I always use when I blow dry or flat iron my hair, okay? Stop. It took me 3 minutes to finish one section, guys. And this is straight. What? Oh my gosh, yo, this is fast. Wow, my hair is straight for just in like 2 minutes or something like that. And my hair is like still flowy and has a lot of volume. Whoa, Dyson might did something with this one. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair real quick and I'll be back with my end conclusion. Okay, so let's push start again. Okay. Okay, let me stop the stopwatch. Wow. Okay, so in total, doing my whole head took me 19 minutes and 42 seconds. Not bad at all. Wow. My hair is extremely straight for just a 20-minute blow dry session. Yo, oh my gosh. Okay, let me give you guys my end conclusion because I am honestly very happy with this product. This is not sponsored at all. This is my honest opinion, and let me tell you why I'm very satisfied with this thing. First of all, the time, 20 minutes is nothing for me, okay? If I can do it in 20 minutes, if your hair is shorter than mine or thinner than mine, then you can probably do it in 15 minutes or even 10 minutes. Yes. And you know, the thing is, my suspicions were right. I really thought this would have like a very concentrated airflow because of the small hole, and it did have a very concentrated airflow. You can literally blow dry your hair straight in just 4 passes if you go really slowly like this because of this very specific like targeted airflow. Yeah, that really did the job well, and that's probably why I got these results so fast. And I also like the teeth of the attachment. Your hair doesn't get stuck between these things because they are wide, you know, there's a lot of space in between and they are bendable. So yeah, your hair definitely doesn't get snagged in this. I don't have any shedding or breakage or whatever. Compared to my Dyson Airwrap, I always have hairs in between these bristles because this is a brush attachment. And you can see all these bristles. Of course, your hair will get kind of stuck in this like a little bit. Nothing too major, you know, this is still bump. But my hair does get stuck in this a little bit. But with this one, didn't experience this at all. No hair getting stuck, broken off, whatever, nothing. So yeah, that's definitely a plus. So this is a little bit more on the expensive side, but to be honest, I think this is so freaking worth it. If you are someone that blow dries your hair a lot, like every week or something like that, or twice a month, and you're looking for a blow dryer that's not going to give you heat damage or break your hair off or something like that, then this is the one for you, okay? Because this has special technology inside that regulates the temperatures to make sure that you don't have heat damage, okay? So it doesn't get too hot. I am very impressed. You know, didn't expect this of Dyson. They really thought about the natural hair community this time, which I definitely felt like wasn't the case with this one at all. Nah, so that's why I'm giving them a good review, because this attachment is definitely worth it. So yeah, I'm going to end the review right here. Let me know down below in the comment section, would you try this blow dryer out with this attachment? Did you like these results? Because I did. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.